You're watching Naija Love Info video on bad roads in Lagos. Today, you're looking at Adeyemi Alao Street in Oke Ira, Ojodu LCDA, Lagos State. This road is a major road and it hasn't seen any repair from the government despite spending so much money. So just sit back and watch the video from the beginning of the road to the end. It's so bad. So you can see for yourself, this road is too bad. The Okada riders are complaining, the vehicle owners are also complaining. You can see things for yourself. Do you have a government in Lagos State? Do you have a government in Ojodu LCDA? You yourself will answer that. This is Adeyemi Alao Street in Oke Ira in Ojodu LCDA. The road is too bad. It's just because there's no rain, that's why it's still looking a bit okay. I hope Governor Akinwumi of Lagos State will direct the person overseeing Ojodu LCDA to do something fast about this road. Can you see potholes, big potholes? The gutters have collapsed. Can you see the drainages are nothing to write home about? Can you see yourself? We are not in a village, this is a city, and we are having this type of bad roads. From the beginning to the end, the road is bad, very, very bad. It's not motorable at all.
Hello, G. Hello, G. Hello. Hello, G. Báwo ni ká lọ?